We got a lot to do today where I'm getting ready for a trip to Myrtle Beach this weekend. So thankfully I'm feeling a lot better. Thanks for everyone, all your well wishes and everything. We're going to take the Model 3. I'm going to take both the kids and some luggage, so it'll be a good range test. Myrtle Beach is about, I think, 215 miles from here. So I don't have to stop and charge the whole way, which is kind of nice, but we're going to get a good range of what we're going to start out with, and then fully loaded car with 4 people. And once we get there, I'll tell you how much power we used, how many miles we used of the battery. There is a supercharger right in Myrtle Beach there's a giant mall there. I'll be charging there, and I'm gonna hopefully try to find a plug in the parking garage at the hotel we're staying at. We're staying on the beach. It's supposed to rain a little bit, but hey, it's gonna be fun anyway. But before that, I want to put the screen shield on. I wanted to do this last week. I got a screen shield, a tempered glass screen protector from Abstract Ocean. And I wanted to put it on there because it's a matte finish, and I don't like the glare that I get when there's sun coming through behind or straight down. I don't like the glare that you get on the screen. So I've got, it's a tempered glass screen protector for the Model 3. There's only one screen in this car. So I've already opened it to see. But it's the matte finish, so you really can't tell if you're just looking at it, but once you pull it away a little bit, it is a matte finish. So it's very smooth to the touch. So I'm hoping it works out really well, and I'll have a link below in the description for you to pick up yours through there. I actually worked out a discount code for you. Anything you've purchased on your first purchase through Abstract Ocean, using my code I1Tesla with the capital T. Caps are important. You get 15% off your entire order on your first order. So I'm looking out for you guys. So first things first, let's clean the screen. First thing you got to do is go to display and clean screen mode, and look at that screen. That is ridiculous. So what we're going to do is clean it. It gives you some wet wipes. So I'm going to clean the screen. I've cleaned the screen a couple times. Unfortunately, I'm a carpenter, so always seems to be dust around. So what we're going to do is, it also gives you, we're going to try not to move in the car too much, but it also gives you these sticky tabs to align the screen. Once we align the screen properly, it gives you these stickers. These are dust stickers to pull the screen back and pick all the dust off of the screen before you actually peel the backing off and allow it to stick to there. So really cool system, and let's get going. So again, we don't want to make a bunch of movements. I have the air conditioning off. Now it says, has a sticker, it says back. I don't have my glasses on, but the sticker helps to remove. So this side is going to go on here. And what I'm going to do is, you have to align this. So what you want to do is set this here. Put these stickers on top on 3 spots here. So what I've done, I've taken those 3 tabs and put them on the top here. What I'm going to do is place this where I like it perfectly. It takes a minute because it's slippery. It slips around, and if you had 2 people, it actually might work out pretty well. Once you get it centered and lined up, see? It moves quite a bit. So once you get it centered and where it looks really good, run your finger over the tape there. And then you can let go and make sure it's even on both sides, which it is, and it's even on top. Because right now you only have 1 tape there. You can actually adjust this pretty easily now if you need to. If you need to push up a little bit or down, I think that's really good right there. I'm going to fold those over, and I think that's really good. Checking both sides. So now that I have it set, I'm going to take these little dust things. I'm going to lift this up gently, hold this up, and then take the dust. Whew, there's a lot on there. So I'm going to take quickly and take this main dust off with a rag, going slowly, and then take the duster, the sticker, and try. There's so much dust in this car, so I think that's pretty good for right now. Then I'm going to remove the backing. And then with this, holding this, make sure there's no dust again. Get as much as you can, and then Drop it into place. And let it just seep out. That's actually really cool. It looks like it's wet. Now right over here, looks like I have a bubble. I'm going to pull up a little bit and work it out. That is really slick. Now all this dust is on the outside. There's no bubbles on the inside. That is on there. So then you remove this tape.
It actually wasn't that difficult. And it just held on there with static.
Take the microfiber cloth, wipe it, hold down. 1, 2, 3, bing. There you go. And you pretty much can't tell anything's there. Let me turn the brightness all the way up. Now it is not a high def screen now because of that matte finish. It's a slicker screen. Let me get out of this and go to navigation. You can still see everything. Navigation is here. You can still swipe. You can pinch and zoom, and it's actually easier to pinch and zoom here. Let me turn the air back on because it's warm. Look at all the boats. This picture must have been taken in the summertime on Lake Norman here. But anyway, if you get really close, you can tell that it is a little fuzzy. It's not crystal clear, but they do have an HD film too. So if you don't like if you don't mind the glare, if you don't notice the glare when you're driving, you get the other one. I noticed a glare, and I wanted to get something that doesn't show the glare because it's sunny a lot here in North Carolina. But this is really nice. I do like this music player. You can see all the channels. It scrolls easier, I think. You can still get to all the buttons. It just takes away that glare, which I really like. Once again, I got it from Abstract Ocean online. I'll have a link in the description. To go to their website. They sell a lot of other stuff. They sell lighting for your cars. Obviously, they sell the screen protectors. They sell stickers. Like I have the Tesla sticker on the back. They actually sell a chrome Tesla sticker, which is really nice. Makes it look like factory. They have key fobs. They have all this other stuff. So use the link below, and then at checkout, use the promo code I1Tesla. You have to have the capital T. Caps are important. You get 15% off your first entire order. So if you haven't gotten your 3 yet, and you want to get screen protector, if you like the matte finish or you like the HD finish, and you're going to get some other things, load up before you get your 3. Get the products before you get your Model 3, and then right away when you get it, you can put all the stuff on there to protect it right away. Get all the stuff you need at once. Get 15% off. Why not? It's free money. There's also a link in the description for the Tesla t-shirts to help support the channel. Thank you guys. Thank you so much to everyone that's ordered them. I'm working on new stuff. And like I said, we're going to Myrtle Beach this weekend, so I'm going to get a lot of footage of, well, not the beach. You don't need to see my vacation, but you need of the trip there through North Carolina and South Carolina, how much it costs to supercharge, and also see how that front end, the AutoFlex front end, holds up. We're going to put 500 miles on the car for the weekend. So thank you, everyone, and enjoy your weekend. I'm going to pull the screen up and make sure there's no dust.